In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make text lowercase on the Safari web browser. So if you are editing a document, for example, and you want to make certain highlighted text lowercase, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up in the menu bar, select Transformations, and then you would select Make Lowercase. Again, you would need to have that text highlighted or selected on the page, like if you were in a Google Doc, for example. And then you can come in here and select Make Lowercase, and that is all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.